Barkatullah University, a government institution established in 1970, was formerly known as Bhopal University. It has earned an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. The university affiliates 223 colleges, making it an important academic hub in the region. In this review, we will focus on the university's MCOM program, starting right off with the 3.2 rated placements. As per students, top recruiters include Amul, Deloitte, Asian Paints, Bajaj Finserv, Tata Consultancy, and ICICI Bank. For the 2022-23 placements, the average salary ranged between 3 to 4 lakh per annum. When comparing Barkatullah University's average salary with that of Dr. Hari Singh Gaur University, both universities are on par. Speaking of internship, students report mixed experiences. The university offers both paid and unpaid internship opportunities with companies like Amul, Deloitte, and Asian Paints recruiting students. However, some students have mentioned that internship opportunities can be limited. Moving ahead to the academic offerings, the MCOM program is rated 3.5 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. Students need to have a graduation degree in commerce with at least a second division to be eligible. The total tuition fee can be around 4,000 rupees for female students and 8,000 rupees for male students. Shifting gears to the 3.4 rated infrastructure. The campus is spread over an area of approximately 400 acres and has a well-stocked library and incubation center, auditorium, computer labs, sports facilities, health center, and canteens. Speaking of hostel facilities, the campus offers 3 hostels each for boys and girls. Students have reported hygienic food and comfortable living conditions. Moving on now to the faculty and course, rated 3.6 by students on Shiksha.com. Students know that the faculty members are highly qualified and possess extensive experience and are very approachable. The curriculum is reported to be well structured. The university organizes seminars to train students for the industry. Now let's move on to the 3.8 rated campus life. Barkatullah University organizes several events with a 3-day inter-district youth festival being the highlight. Other events include poster competitions, speech, essay, quiz, and food festivals, giving students various opportunities to engage and display their talents. Finally, regarding the NRF 2024 rankings, Barkatullah University is currently unranked. For more details on Barkatullah University and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.